Này là thịt bò, thịt gà ướp từ hôm qua nè. Okay. Có than chưa? Có hộp quẹt chưa? Có banh nữa nè. Ok. Rồi. Đóng cửa lại đi. Đi ra park nướng đồ ăn. Delilah awake?
Yes.
Mimo, hello.
Hi.
Mimo, come in.
Hi.
Oh man. Look at that.
Delilah just woke up. Oh. She's getting ready right now. Just tell her. Oh yeah, I need help, girl. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, Carrot. You on your own, Carrot. But.
Dư đựng cái chỗ này để nướng nè. Food not ready yet.
Just let
Do it like this child. Like this, mama.
Keep one layer.
Oh.
Cho đi cái vỏ này thì clean.
vậy quá. Vậy được ha.
Delilah. Hi, Delilah. Hi.
Xem hay nào.
Delilah's so tall, guys. No.
Who's stealing?
Anh đẹp trai.
Hungry yet?
Hungry?
Phát tới rồi đó. Cái này chính là Phát ăn thử cái này đi. Cũng nóng. Bên đây cũng vậy. Time to eat.
Just put it on her plate.
Okay.
Otherwise they get
More. Don't give Delilah any. No,
That's
Delilah.
it. That's all you want.
Thank you guys. Thank you. You're welcome. Eat more and come get them more.
You don't want ranch? Oh, my hair. Oh, my teeth! Is it not hot though? This is really good. Yeah.
Logo's 2 wings.
It's a... Access my teeth when I all our bones. Is it all really undercooked? You don't know.
Okay, don't mind.
Wait, why not? Oh, that's just hot. Said that when I actually ate the peel.
No, you're actually supposed to eat it.
You can play basketball with them when Josh gets here.
Oh, it's hot.
Are you Delilah? And then I'm going to Corman. The advanced if I wanted to, but
You should just do it, and then you don't want to do it like algebra.
I can't change it anymore. He told me too late.
Or an
If you do calculus, everything is kind of useless. Because then you have to retake it. What do you want to do?
Financial advisor, maybe.
Because
Like, what happens if you don't pass it?
you just take pre-calculus.
we
Like wherever. Like exactly. There's no way you don't see.
Okay.
Terrified of it. Pushing 80.
Mới miền Bắc chưa?
Oh yeah. No, you yes, you could.
In that day, you get 2%.
2 years, I'm thinking about like marketing.
What the? Okay, I know you see this. I think it's the lighting, so it's hard to see. Volleyball. I tell you what, like, when you're like passing the volleyball. Let me fix my mic. Somebody put shoes over there so we could. He's not even that good. He doesn't know how to play. Kara's little hit. Oh, that was. Okay, don't hit. I'll play right here. You play right there. Yeah, Elijah has no clue what he's doing.
Send the ball up. That's all I got.
Wait, okay. Come on. Bro, hits anything. What the
Oh, then I was look good.
They look good.
Yeah.
That's full. That's the fullest.
Yeah. You're welcome.
That's 4. It's already 4. We got the point. We got the point. Go, Kara. Better. Okay. And then, yeah, we could play like our brother's position. Time out. What about? I don't know, bro. He's fucking crazy. Yes. Mine. Right here, Kara. Right. Ah, shit! Oh, shit. Mine. Oh, God. Mine. Sorry. Here. Oh, what the? Watch. Mine. Oh, sorry. Oh. Nice. Oh my gosh. Right here. Mine. Right here. Oh yeah, that was a beautiful set. That's it. I need to hit harder. Sorry. No, you're good. Oh, okay. Thanks. Caught them off guard. He's chilling. I know. I don't want to leave you. You know.
Still growling.
It's not that deep.
Yeah. Okay. Bắt đầu. Dạ thôi, chúc mừng.
We already.
Chúc đấy, ăn giờ.
Gosh. Free ball. It was the sun. Right, Kara? Yeah, it was the sun. It was the sun. Here's the best part.
I like the front.
What? I'm going. Tired. You don't gotta be that far.
How you doing? It's a nice day, isn't it? So nice.
No.
Oh. Mama. Oh yeah.
Give some for your husband too.
Big one, sure.
Nah, you're a big boy.
Good. Thank you.
No, more.
Thank you.
Later. Lột này ra cho mama này.
I'm glad I brought my jacket.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
They like side. Not me. I'm not gonna drink.
I've seen something on Instagram.
Layla?
Yeah.
Want some watermelon?
You guys, there's some. No, it's not. I know why.
Thanks.
Get the bite.
Thanks.
You're good on camera. I was gonna play. I want to play volleyball. I'm gonna beat your butt.
See that?
Swig. Where are you going?
Play volleyball. Those
Guys.
Why?
That's it. You don't.
No, don't set me. I'm not a setter. I'm just.
Renee?
That was good. Yeah.
You ready? Trời đi, tôi
Go
trời.
over.
Trời.
Yeah.
Trời thôi. Trời. Yeah. I got you, Dollar.
There you go.
Go, babe. Well, two hands.
Oh, what the heck? Your arm went so weird.
Oh, no, stop throwing it. Don't swallow. Yeah. Mở lại.
Trip. There we go.
Heck no.
Kirika.
Oh. Come on. Go on.
Oh! Hey, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up.
Time to get ready.
I did.
Go, Mom. Yeah. I got it. I got it. Go, Delilah.
No! No!
That was a.
Nice. Them drunk people. Get it.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Nice, babe. Oh yeah, come on, Delilah.
Yeah!
Good job.
Yes.
Look.
Best tea ever.
What? In Arizona? favorite drink.
Get some more chicken.
Oh.
Yeah, giống nè.
Cần để lấy lắm.
How do you know? Oh, you want to see a good picture?
I like when it's crispy.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, you do.
I think when my dad's gonna do Kara's nails, and then I'll just do your. Yeah, there's a lot. Nails.
Yeah, but I'll be passing your house.
Okay. See you later. You coming with us?
Are we?